Today I'm going to show you how to write sheet names in A1, in cell A1, using VBA macro. So what I'm going to do is I got several worksheets here that is already opened. I got and also named database, entry form, third worksheet, dashboard, and the next worksheet is summary report, budget report. Still there's no name here in A1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the names of this in the worksheets tab, and I'm gonna write it here in the A1 cell, and I'm gonna use the macro for this. I'm gonna access the VBA editor, Alt F11, and then I'm gonna write the macro. I'm gonna insert the module number 1, and then I'm gonna exit these two windows for me to be able to have a wider screen. So I'm gonna write the macro. I'm gonna name my macro sub write sheet names. So write sheet names. Okay, enter. And my variable would be dim ws as worksheet. Enter. Then I'm gonna put a loop in this for each WS in worksheets. And then in the range, WS dot range. So the range for all the worksheet names would be on A1. Okay, close it. Then that value equals ws dot name. Then I'm gonna complete the loop. Next ws. Okay, then end sub. So this is the a very short code in VBA editor that I'm gonna use for to name the worksheet names in cell A1. So I'm gonna go back to Excel. So if you see now, I still don't have names here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write the names all at the same time when I use the macro. Alright, so I'm gonna open the macro, Alt F8. Then I'm gonna go to options. Why? Because I'm gonna assign a shortcut key. I'm gonna use Control A. Click OK. Then I'm gonna cancel this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the shortcut key Control plus A. Okay. Oh, there was a mistake here. So there was no space between next and WS. So I'm gonna put, then I'm gonna reset. Okay, then I'm going back to Excel. Then I'm gonna press Control plus A. So you got the database already here. The entry form is already here. In the next worksheet, dashboard. Next worksheet, summary report, budget report. In the next worksheet. So no matter how many numbers worksheets you have in your workbook, it will be named all at the same time when you are clicking your macro, the macro that you write in the VBA editor. So that's it for our exercise for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.